Want to get Snapchat on your Apple Watch? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps so you can start using Snapchat right from your wrist in no time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might find it helpful. To begin, go to the main menu on your Apple Watch and open the App Store. Once you're in, head to the search panel and type in Snapchat. Tap the search button and wait for the results to load. If Snapchat is already installed on your watch, you'll see an Open button. Just tap it and you're in. If it's not installed yet, you'll see a Get icon instead. Go ahead and tap on it to download and install Snapchat on your Apple Watch. Once it's installed, tap Open and you're all set to start using Snapchat on the go. That's it. Super simple and quick. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.